In this video, let's learn how to step down notification panel using our display middle area. You can step your notification panel like this. Let's learn how to enable this feature. Normally we can step our notification panel using this area like this. If we enable this feature, we can step it like this. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down and go to home screen option. In here you can see step down for notification panel option. You can enable this feature. After, you can easily step down notification panel using your display middle area like this.